am Shah Dhruv, and this is DIY Project 3, Assignment 3 of disassembling a home appliance and then reassembling it. So today I am going to disassemble a mosquito killer racket and I will show you all its parts. So I am starting now. So I have opened all the screw now. Now this is the inner circuit of the mosquito racket. These are the charging plugs. This is a battery, a storage type battery. When this battery is discharged, we have to charge it using this, and using this button it goes up and down accordingly whenever we want to charge it and put it inside the plug. This stores the battery. Now I am going to show you the inner circuit of this mosquito racket. So this is the push button through which when we push it, the current starts in this, and when mosquito comes it gets killed. And this is the on off button. It is responsible for the circuit to remain on or off. Now I have kept it at off so that I could not get any shock. Now this is the inner circuit of the racket. This light is for charging light, and this light is for means like killing the light. Like when we press this push button, this light gets on. This is a step up transformer. This is a transistor. These are the capacitors, and these are the resistors accordingly. This whole circuit goes on, and from here the current through battery comes here, and from here it passes through these wires, and then it comes to these rods like steel cage, and when mosquito comes here it just got burned due to the current. Now I have shown you the whole circuit and whole its part. So I am going to reassemble it and show you if it works perfectly or not at the time of reassembling. So I forgot to put this push button. So it is all fit. Now I have to put inside these screws. So now I am checking this whether it's on or off, and I am pushing this button. See, you can see the light came here, and see the spark comes. So it's working fine. So this is all. Thank you. Have a nice day.